What's that? I can't wait! Look! A lion! Wow! The elephant is so big! The monkeys are funny! The giraffe is very tall. Look! Black and white stripes. The penguins are so cute. The bear is very strong.
They are pink. They stand on one leg.
The panda is so cute. Hello, parrot.
Hello, hello, hello. That was funny.
The fish are beautiful. Are you okay? Don't worry, we'll find her.
I can't find my mom.
Don't worry. We will find her. Thank you. I believe you. Excuse me, sir. She can't find her mom. Oh, dear. Don't worry. We'll help her.
We are looking for your mom.
Mom.
Oh, honey, I was so worried.
I found him. Thank you so much. I'm Yuhab Gilmer-sen.
I'm so happy you're safe. Thank you, Allie. Thank you, Allie. You're welcome.
You did a great job.
Ha. Thank you.
Helping others feels good. Thank you, Allie. Thank you, Allie.
Have a great day.
I feel happy today. Helping others is important. See you next time. Always be kind. See you soon.